This time, I'm going to give a tutorial for complex applications that build aging. We call it Mock0. Mock0 is an AI-based coding tool that helps you to generate the UI code quickly. Is that funny that aging is a no-code tool, but we are using the no-code to build a coding tool? That's pretty interesting, right? Actually, it's totally doable. Let's have a quick look at what it looks like. For example, this one, the prompt is implement a conference schedule UI for me. Mock0 automatically created this user interface, which is a conference schedule. It has mock data. It works for desktop, for iPad, and for the cell phone. It's a pretty simple user interface. Real developers probably don't really need that much time to build it. However, nothing beat with just one command and the AI built for you. AI indeed created the code for this interface. And what's important is this interface itself is data-driven. That basically means you can use this code in the applications to pass the real data to let it display. It's not just a mock screen. It's something that could potentially be useful. If we go back, this is another conference interface like a calendars, and this is example I created to let it create a movie ticket, and it also create telephone dial pad, and this telephone dial pad is actually working. Mock0 is created with AIGNE, and it's a little bit complicated. It's going to take me a few tutorials to walk you through how we build Mock0 and what are the important features we use in AIGNE. We used quite a bit advanced features from the knowledge. There's multiple different knowledge base, tell the AI how to write those code. We also have these memory features that it need to share the memory among different agents. Different agent is designed to do different things, like for creative component, design component, a lot of other things. Mock0 is created as an example. We are inspired by Verso's V0. V0 is something similar. The user give it prompt, and V0 be able to create the user interface for you. One thing I think V0 did better than the current Mock0 is every time when you give it a prompt, it creates 3 different versions to let you pick which one is your favorite. Those are a few user interface created by its users. For example, this is someone create this kind of quotations from different people, and it has multiple different versions. V0 is definitely more polished. We want to create these examples and demos and give you some idea how to use AIGNE to create these kind of complicated applications, even make it be able to write the real code and build the software for you. But to be able to make this a full, complete applications, there's still a lot of work need to be done. I'm going to give you walkthrough from how Mock0 was architected and what the details of the features of the agents, and then see how to get everything working together. And finally, everybody can have the source code and have the knowledge base that we build for Mock0, and you can try to tweak your own. Maybe you can create something even better than Mock0. This is the first one of these tutorials to just give you an overlook what is Mock0 and what is V0. In the next tutorials, we're going to first use Mock0 and V0 to see them in action, and then we can see how it works, how we get this done.